it was great to be at the Geo Institute Sports Conclave today, and I quite like the topic about the adoption of technology in sport today, especially in the Indian context, because I think technology has such a big role to play for Indian sport. I think there will be many important job opportunities in the sports sector, so it's very imperative that we train the right minds with the right passion, with the right knowledge, and get really talented people working in sport.
Quite relevant discussions, very relevant to the age and the current stage of technology that we are in. And I think, I hope rather, people took some insights out of it.
You know that sports is growing big in India at this point of time, 23 billion and expected to be 50 billion, and tech is going to play a very, very integral part of that growth. As an industry, it's about 3 billion and again growing at around 20%. So it was good to bring everybody together to discuss about the tech angle in each of the areas of sport.
Being here today, I heard so many inspiring stories of sports personalities, the kind of issues they face, what they aspire to be, the options that they would want. I think law can be a great enabler in charting out great career paths for sports personalities. It can also be very facilitative in nature. I do hope that we take these learnings very seriously.
We don't have that many sports management institutes in the country, so with these first few batches, conclaves like this are definitely required. Today's topic again was very important because they need to know what areas are open not only to them but also to other athletes who are in the field, who after playing their sport need different avenues. So those athletes need to know about these institutes so that they can improve themselves and become more useful in the ecosystem which needs their investment.
Sports management definitely will grow with this growing ecosystem. It's a growing market, and having young students who are taking up this course and learning everything about sports at this juncture, I think is going to be the defining moment for India as we look at all the coming Olympic Games, the Commonwealth Games. So good luck to all the students of Geo Institute.